YouTube.
So many fast dudes, nigga, I can start a dealership. You can't come around if you ain't gang, it's only membership. Niggas play my songs and be like, I don't think y'all hearing them. She be getting cracked by everybody, that bitch a chicken head. Try to lay her down, fucked up, and I missed the bed.
Get money, stay out the way, but no, it ain't that simple. Yeah, no, don't show no love. Too much gets you killed. I swear love.
YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy GlobalRellTV checking in with yet another car video for you guys, man. As you guys can see, it is nighttime, so I do have a late night POV drive for you guys. As you guys can see that beast in the back of me, we do have a Mercedes Benz GLE 53 AMG truck behind us, guys. We're gonna have a lot of fun with that tonight. But before this video gets started, I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and we gone. Alright guys, now it's time for us to hop in this beast. The car will start up. Right off the bat, guys, I just want to say I love this steering wheel. I love the ambient lighting. As you guys can see, it is changing colors automatically on its own. If you guys could do me a favor and show the appreciation, because it is 2 o'clock in the morning, like, comment, and subscribe. And we're about to dive into this late night POV drive, guys. Let me give you guys a couple revs. Whoa, guys, this thing took off like a rocket. Wasn't expecting that. Now, this is the first Mercedes on my page, and for it to be a nice AMG, there's no other better feeling than that, guys. So I am pretty excited to shoot this video for you guys today, and I hope you guys just like the video, because I know I am. Oh yeah. This thing is amazing, man. Very loud. I like how that muffler back there is just giving off that sound, that aggressiveness. Bit of paddle shifters right there. wasn't expecting this. I have no complaints, man. We have speed and we have luxury all in one. Mercedes really did their thing with this truck right here. And as you guys know, this is the coupe. They have two. You have the regular AMG GLE 53, and then you have the AMG GLE 53 coupe, which is the one that we're in, which is the more slick back design. The regular AMG GLE 53 is more boxy and more of a SUV. And this thing handles well. I love to hear those downshifts. Love to hear those shifts, man. Every time we're downshifting, man, we get that vroom, that vroom. I don't know how to describe the sound, but we're on that road to 500. We're gonna keep dropping these bangers for you guys, man. You guys keep supporting the kid, keep liking my videos, sharing my videos. This thing is barking, man. This thing is barking, man. This thing is barking. She barking, barking, barking. Try to get a little takeoff for you guys. That's a little takeoff for you guys. We'll try to get one more as we can. And although this is my first time in a GLE truck, let me know down below what other cars or SUVs you guys would like to see on the channel. I appreciate everybody who's been allowing me to do videos on their cars or hooking me up with videos to do on cars. So I just want to give a special shout out to you guys. I don't want you guys to feel like you guys gonna notice. And I'm very appreciative for everybody. And like I said, man, we're on the road to that 500 subs. Doing this off the muscle, off the flap. We're gonna keep grinding till we get to where we want to be in life, and that goes to anybody out there, man. You just gotta keep going. Everybody has rainy days, but there's also gonna be some sunny days too, man. So that just shows you, that just tells you, man, to keep grinding. Everybody gonna have those rainy days, but the rain don't last forever. Just want to tell you guys to keep going for whatever you want to do, man. Stick to it. Just because it don't work in a month or 3 months, 5 months, it may take you a year. It might take this person longer than the next person, but as long as you stay focused, you keep grinding, it'll happen, man. Turbo. control, man. That thing sounds nasty. No police that way. We ain't going that way.
Lock his ass up. You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
Big pop right there. Let's take this thing on the highway one more time, guys, before we end this video. Like I said, the car review will be out for this video, so if you guys want more information on this GLE 53 AMG, tune into that car review. Oh, I thought the light wasn't gonna turn. Alright guys, that's the end of today's late night POV drive. If you guys could do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out, guys.
Done crying, I'm done crying. Cause I done came too far, I'm getting closer to the truth. And I done lost some people and I can't get them back. A lot of niggas run their mouth until I get them whacked. That man in my back, I kept my head up.